Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from any videos online. So in here, what you need to do is just open the browser on your mobile device or your computer, and then you can just find video watermark remover as the keyword, or just watermark remover. You can just any. And after that, you can see there are lots of online video watermark remover that you can get for free. So I'm going to just use this one, this online video cutter. And you can choose to drop a file in here or just click on open file. Then select your videos from the library. Okay, for example, this one right here, you can tap on open. And now the video will be added into the timeline automatically, and it will be this options will pop up, remove logo. So you can just select one or more area you will use to remove. So I will just mark this one just like this, and then you can just tap on apply. So it will be done within a second, and you can see that the watermark is now gone. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also